Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on auto hold on your VW Golf. This clever feature automatically holds your vehicle stationary once you come to a complete stop, even on inclines. It means you do not need to keep your foot on the brake pedal, offering greater comfort and reducing fatigue, especially in stop-and-go traffic. It is a simple setting that makes a big difference to your driving experience. To begin, locate the auto hold button within your VW Golf's cabin. You will usually find it positioned conveniently near the gear selector or electronic parking brake switch. The button is clearly marked, either with the words auto hold or a distinct symbol, which is commonly a capital and enclosed within a circular arrow. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its exact placement. Activating auto hold is straightforward. Simply press the dedicated auto hold button once. Upon successful activation, a green indicator light will illuminate on your instrument cluster, confirming the system is now active. If you wish to deactivate the feature, perhaps for specific driving conditions, just press the same button again. The green light will then turn off, indicating it is disengaged. Once activated, auto hold works seamlessly. When you bring your VW Golf to a complete stop, the system automatically applies and holds the brakes, even if you release the pedal. To resume driving, simply press the accelerator pedal, and the brakes will release smoothly. This intelligent feature functions effectively with both manual and automatic transmissions, providing consistent convenience and safety across different driving styles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.